Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mileage logs with MileIQ for deduction claims step by step clearly. Open the MileIQ app on your device. Log in with your account credentials. Locate and select the Logs tab from the main menu. Review the list of recorded trips displayed on the screen. Select a specific trip that you want to verify. Check the date, time, and distance logged for accuracy. If the trip details are incorrect, tap on the entry to edit. Adjust the details as necessary and save the changes. Next, navigate to the Reports section within the app. Select the date range for which you want to generate a mileage report. Choose the format you prefer for the report, such as PDF or CSV. Hit the Generate Report button to create the mileage log report. Once the report is generated, review it for any discrepancies. Make sure that all trips are accounted for and correctly categorized. If you need to provide additional documentation, gather receipts or other supporting documents. Now, prepare to submit your mileage log for deduction claims. Ensure that you have organized all necessary documentation. Submit your mileage log and supporting documents to the appropriate platform or authority. Track the status of your claim until you receive confirmation. Repeat this process regularly to maintain accurate records for future claims. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.